Before we get into things today, I just want to take a second and say, oh my gosh. As of the time of recording this segment, again, things are very liable to change by the time I'm editing this video, much less publishing it. But as of right this second, ASHTAGbricks is up to 15 subscribers. I am honestly speechless. I legitimately don't know what to say, except, again, thank you all just so much. At the weekend of Pi Day, and either way, if things change or if they don't, I'm still going to put the graphic that I took a screenshot of, oops, bumped the tripod, on screen right now. But I mentioned this in an earlier video. Pi Day weekend was when ASHTAGbricks crossed the 10 subscriber barrier, and it seemed like the next week it went to 11, and it's just been steadily growing since then. And just it's things just started climbing a little faster and a little faster, and it honestly blows my mind to think that ASHTAGbricks is at 15 subs. So I just want to take a second to say thank you to all who have subscribed. Welcome to the ASHTAGunited community. Frankly, I hope I can live up to the expectations. I hope I can succeed or exceed your expectations, but at the very least, live up to the content you're hoping to find on ASHTAGbricks. So thank you so much. Also, you might have noticed I moved my desk. More on that. I did a video on that on the personal channel. I think there will be a link in the description. But yeah, I did a bit more of an explanation there. But yeah, things are really picking up in speed, and really we're going into the future, whether it be moving my desk to, see, hopefully that gives it a little bit more light since it is in front of the window. Hopefully also, just with this, since the ceiling's vaulted in here, hopefully we won't be bumping as much in here. But thank you so much. I honestly don't have words. I'm being dead serious. I'm speechless. Just thank you so much. It just blows my mind thinking about the fact of how ASHTAGunited has grown in the past several weeks. So thank you, and let's get on with the video.